Hello everyone, in this video you will be learning about the Bayes theorem. It is one of the important theorems in the probability. It was proposed by a mathematician called as Thomas Bayes in the year 1763. This model helps us provide the mathematical model for reasoning where beliefs are combined with evidences, to get the estimate of the uncertainty. So how does it contain it is the combination in this probability we will be mostly using the conditional probability and the probabilities of the events such as H and E, where H is your hypothesis and E is the evidence. So the terms can be represented in these various forms where H is your hypothesis and E is your evidence. So this is what is your Bayes theorem representation. We will be trying to derive it now. We will be getting it now out of our conditional probabilities. So we know that P of H by E value with respect to conditional probability is P of H by E is equal to P of H and E divided by P of E. So we will be using this now. So how can we represent it now? When I take this denominator term towards my left hand side, so it becomes P of H by E into P of E is equal to P of H and E. Let me consider this to be my equation 1. Similarly, if I write the probability of conditional probability in terms of P of E by H, can be expressed as P of E by H is equal to P of E and H by P of H. So this is the conditional probability with respect to evidence and hypothesis, and prior we have written the conditional probability with respect to hypothesis and evidence. So what we will do is we will send this denominator towards my left hand side. Now let me denote this to be our equation 2. Now equating 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, if I equate both of them, what we will be getting is P of H by E into P of E, which is equal to P of E by H into P of H, right? Now hence we obtain P of H by E is equal to P of E by H into P of H. This I am taking again in the denominator, which is nothing but P of E. So this is your Bayes theorem. Hence proved. So this is our Bayes theorem. So how we got the Bayes theorem is when we consider the conditional probability with respect to hypothesis and evidence, and we consider the conditional probability with respect to evidence and hypothesis, we equated both of the resultant equations out of these two conditional probabilities. When I equate the equation 1 and 2 together, so this is what your Bayes theorem we have got.